Did you know that the saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile, capable of growing over 23 feet long? With a bite force measured at an astounding 3,700 pounds, it's the strongest of any animal. These apex predators can swim up to 15 miles per hour in water and sprint on land at 10 miles per hour, surprising many. Their incredible ability to tolerate both salt and fresh water allows them to conquer vast territories ranging from rivers to oceanic shores. And here's the twist. This dinosaur-like creature can hold its breath underwater for over an hour while lying in wait for unsuspecting prey.